Law explanatory notes. In addition to the new bills, introductory notes have been made since 1998. Keep in mind that before the legislation becomes an act of Parliament, it is referred to as a bill. Such documents are far more detailed than any prior explanatory memorandum. It is created by the government department accountable for the legislation. The reports clearly explain the context to any proposed legislation, outline the key clauses, and, where the argument is difficult, provide the details that have been worked out. Such statements are potential new extrinsic assistance for statutory interpretation. They could be of benefit to the judges because they have to interpret the law. Notations, though, are not part of the law. This is probable to experience a dispute as to whether they will be used for statutory interpretation. Judges who use the purposive approach are inclined to promote their usage. However, judges who use the literal approach will not be using them. It's because the explanatory notes are not designed to have legal force, they are not part of an act itself. Example of the use of extrinsic aids. Many extrinsic supports have been found in La Roche v. Spirit of Exploration, UK, Ltd., 2009. The claimant was hurt as a result of the abrupt crash of a hot air balloon in which he was flying. The definition of the word aircraft was very significant. Was a hot air balloon in the concept of aircraft? If so, the argument would have declined because it had not been made within 2 years of the crash. In determining the case, the Court of Appeal first examined the concept of aircraft in the Pocket Oxford Dictionary. It described aircraft, airship, and balloons. The court has reviewed the Air Navigation Order 2000, a statutory instrument. This promoted the belief that a hot air balloon was to be treated as an aircraft. In fact, the court noted that English legislation had to be treated in a manner similar to that of international air travel, which is regulated by an international convention, the Warsaw Treaty. As a consequence of finding these three extrinsic supports, the court decided that a hot air balloon was deemed to be an aircraft. It indicated that the lawsuit expired as it had not been filed within the 2-year time limit.